I think perhaps the most important thing the Alliance can provide is a visibility that we're one university in which we can pull together different disciplines to approach, to attack, to solve the problems of social injustice and health inequities. These are huge problems for the world, not just our own country, but all countries. And being able to work across discipline with anthropologists, with innovators, with physicians, with nurses, with public health people, provides a unique opportunity. And I think the Alliance offers that opportunity. Whether it's pulling people together, to work together, to making that visible connection, whether it's providing funding for individuals to work together, or whether it's having seminars, lectures, workshops, all of that is really to further the goals of the Alliance, which are focused on social injustice, health, and equity.
I do see value in the Alliance organizing more events like this one. One thing is that it actually takes us away from our everyday environment where we're sort of caught up in the next task at hand, and allows us to be in a different environment, to experience something new. And one thing I liked about this venue in particular is that it's the backdrop of music and history, and music is a language that's common to people of all walks of life.
So bringing people with these different backgrounds together to have conversations around topics that are of mutual interest is a great way to build on the strengths that the university has and the interest that we have to come up with new ideas, potential new solutions, or at least the kernels of new solutions that then we can take forward over time. So I would love to see more events like this, because it's from events like this that great new ideas have the opportunity to be born.
It's great to have representation from every school across Johns Hopkins. So I think there's so many exciting opportunities for collaboration that are bubbling up here tonight.
Why do we need an alliance when we, as a university, do more of this than any other university? And we established the field, the academic field, over 56 years ago, which, by the way, is older than me. So we're trying to stimulate the kind of work on complex problems, on big intractable problems that we can't do on our own and through the usual type of grant mechanisms.
More opportunities like this are important because it brings people together, number one. And being in person, I think, is a first step to where we want to go. But being able to continue it, I think, builds this sort of legacy where people know if I come to this type of event, I'm going to meet people who I share common goals with. So I think the longevity of efforts to bring people together in person will be essential to how the Alliance can help build collaboration.
I'm a great believer in the power of convening. I think there's nothing more productive than getting people together in a convivial situation around a focused idea that helps the people to think through old problems and also, more importantly, think about new solutions to old problems. And so I think this is a great opportunity to bring the community of Johns Hopkins together.